It is a risk-off session today, with safe haven assets catching a bid across the board. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for June 8th. The selling pressure is broad-based, suggesting genuine risk aversion rather than isolated profit-taking. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 is down -2.64%, trading at $7,383.74. Equity markets are responding to reports that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. NASDAQ 100 plunged -4.77% to $28,958 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Dow Jones is down -1.35%, trading at $50,867. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom Q2 earnings miss drags NASDAQ futures lower, QZ.com. Starting with the Europe session. DAX is trading lower by -0.58%, at $24,616. Traders are reacting to news that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,351, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. CAC 40 is trading lower by -0.52%, at $8,175.37. Traders are reacting to news that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 made a dramatic move today, plunged -3.85% to $64,025. Currency markets are reacting to gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears, stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals, TradingView. Hang Seng dipped -1.22% to $24,657. This comes as iron ore prices decline on thinning steel margins and weak seasonal demand in China, News and Statistics Index box, adding pressure to energy markets. Kospi plunged -8.29% to $7,484.41 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom earnings miss sinks NASDAQ, RE chips slide, go trade. Nifty 50 dipped -1.13% to $23,102. Equity markets are responding to reports that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. Sensex dipped -0.95% to $73,537. Equity markets are responding to reports that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. ASX 200 dipped -0.70% to $8,625.10. This comes as iron ore prices decline on thinning steel margins and weak seasonal demand in China, News and Statistics Index box, adding pressure to energy markets. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Asian markets plunge after record RE rally and renewed Iran attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by Broadcom Q2 earnings miss drags NASDAQ futures lower, QZ.com. And looking at how some of the biggest names are trading today. Samsung plunged -10.18% to $295,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.69% to $415.17. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. ASML plunged -6.58% to $1,641.74 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Let us give you our near-term view on the KOSPI. The technical picture for KOSPI has deteriorated. The $7,035.35 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. To summarize, 0 indices in the green, 12 in the red today. A clear risk-off tone is prevailing across global equities. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.